Hello everyone and welcome back to the Gradio tutorial series for beginners. In this video, we are diving into the world of reactive interfaces with the Gradio library. We will explore how to make interfaces automatically refresh and continuously stream data. Before we get started, let's quickly recap what we have covered in the previous video. In the previous video, we discussed the concept of interface state in Gradio library. We learned about global and session state and how to handle data persistence in your Gradio interfaces. If you missed that video, no worries, you can catch up anytime. Now let's begin by exploring live interface, which allow your Gradio interface to automatically refresh as soon as the user input changes. You can achieve this by setting live equals to true in the interface. This means the interface will recalculate whenever the user interacts with it. In this example, we create a calculator using Gradio with automatic refresh. The calculator function takes num1 operations and num2 as input and performs the calculation based on the chosen operations. And the Gradio interface is created with live mode enabled. When the user interacts with the interface, the results are recalculated and updated automatically. Let me show you how it works. As you can see here, whenever I change the value, output value also change. Now let's talk about streaming component. Some components in Gradio library have a streaming mode, such as the audio component in microphone mode or the image component in webcam mode. Streaming means data is continuously sent to the backend and the interface function keeps running. In this example, we use the gr.image component with streaming mode, enabled for streaming images from a webcam, and the flip function flips the received image vertically. The Gradio interface refresh continuously, allowing you to see the webcam stream with the flip effect in real time. Let me show you by running this code. Here you can see the vertically flips image. So that's it for today. In this video, you have learned how to create a reactive interface with Gradio, enabling automatic refresh and continuous data streaming. This opens up exciting possibility for real-time applications. Now in the next video, we will explore more advanced topics and customizations with Gradio. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.